What's up mga Igsoon? So we are here with another quick travel vlog. Because today is Tuesday. I think it's around 6:59, and we just decided with my friend here Sundui to have a quick trip here at TERELJ. Para i-try ang drone. Mura mong trip karon na adlaw. So I'll show you.
Years later.
You try to do like that, it will not, just like that. Wow! Bro! Okay. There.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So gapalupad na mi og drone dire guys. Murag iring. Show your face.
Sean is tired now.
Kapoy.
We go up there.
What are we going to do? We fly this
What
one.
are you feel now?
We fly this toy.
Oh. Do you like your drone? Do you like your new drone?
It's fine.
Wow.
Show your face. Show your face.
Okay. Hi, Philippines. Bye bye.
So kakain muna kami guys. Miming! Welcome to TERELJ Mountain Lodge. Ming, 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 Ming. Dun, dun, dun. So, if you happen to come in this place, it's actually a good place to relax, just to enjoy the beautiful scenery. I went here last winter. So, karon mabalik na pud ko. Mabalik na pud ko dire. Summertime. Summertime. See? Nice ang place, guys. Kapo siyag ambience. Instagrammable. Fresh air pa. Diba Sundui? Diba? Good place, diba?
Good place.
So let's check what will be their food. So, papasok na tayo guys. Haunted house. Ang bango-bango dito. Para lang Dahilayan or Baguio City. TERELJ Mountain Lodge. So let's check what's inside. Oh, Tara. So guys, we are inside the TERELJ Lodge. TERELJ Mountain Lodge restaurant. Order muna before eating. So order na off ang hack. So I'll just have one chicken steak with pineapple.
Yeah.
It's available, right? Okay, and this one teriyaki chicken. Okay, do you like it?
I think
Teriyaki chicken. TERELJ. When was TERELJ Mountain Lodge built? How many years? Like, it was built how many years?
3 years.
3 years. Oh, I see. So 3 years na pala tong nag-exist sa world. Okay, mag-order sila guys. So hap-hap na guys. Pakano na ako kung driver. Ay, gutom na. Food is good.